The invention of the water clock. Time flows like water long before digital displays and ticking gears. Ancient civilizations relied on clever and natural tools to measure time. Among the oldest and most ingenious was the water clock, also known as a clepsydra, a device that uses the steady flow of water to track the passage of time. Ancient origins. The history of the water clock stretches back over 4,000 years, with the earliest known examples found in ancient Mesopotamia and Egypt. These early timekeepers used simple bowls, or vessels that slowly filled or emptied water at a consistent rate. The name clepsydra comes from the Greek words kleptein, to steal, and hydor, water, meaning water thief. A poetic description of how time silently slips away as water drips or flows. How it worked. There were two main types of water clocks. Outflow type. Water drains slowly from a container, and time is measured by the changing water level. Inflow type. Water enters a container from above, and time is measured by how long it takes to fill up to a certain level. Some clepsydras used graduated markings to measure hours, while others triggered mechanical gears, bells, or figures when a certain water level was reached, making them early examples of automated clocks. Egypt and Babylon. Egyptians used water clocks as early as 1500 BCE, especially for temple rituals that required precise timing. In Babylon, astronomers used them to calculate astronomical events and calendar systems, linking time to the movements of the stars and planets. Greek innovations. The ancient Greeks refined water clock technology dramatically. Inventors like Ctesibius of Alexandria in the 3rd century BCE added gears, floats, and indicators to regulate the flow of water and improve accuracy. Greek courts even used water clocks to time speeches, ensuring fairness in trials. If your time ran out, the water ran out. Global use. Water clocks also appeared independently in China, where engineers like Song in the 11th century CE built water-driven astronomical clocks with rotating celestial globes. India, where ancient texts describe clepsydras used for astrological and ritual purposes. Islamic civilization, where engineers designed sophisticated water clocks that included automata and mechanical displays. The decline and legacy. With the invention of mechanical escapement clocks in 14th century Europe, the water clock eventually faded from practical use. However, its influence is undeniable. It was the first programmable and mechanical way humans attempted to measure and control time with precision. Why it still matters. The water clock is more than an ancient relic. It's a symbol of how science, engineering, and creativity flowed together in the quest to master time. It laid the foundation for all timekeeping technologies that came after, from pendulum clocks to smartwatches. Want to see one? Working replicas of ancient clepsydras can be found in science museums and historical exhibitions worldwide. They serve as a powerful reminder that even thousands of years ago, humans were thinking like engineers.